Okay, so just a quick video here to show you how to sign up for our Cirrus accounts in Paradigm. So Paradigm is the software itself, Cirrus is the company. So if you have purchased your materials through the bookstore, which is what you have to do first, once you do that, then you're going to come through to this information here. So just follow along here. This is how you're going to set your account up. So it's going to show in here if you already have an account. Most of you will not, so we're just going to kind of carry through as if you don't, okay? So there will be a Word document attached to this video that will have instructions and the link that you go to get here, as well as the code we're going to talk about here in a second. So step one, you're going to go to this website, which I will link in the Word document. Step two is setting up your account. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to click this Get Started button right here, this first one that says Office Computer Concepts Careers. So that's the one we're going to be looking at there. So you'll use your Medicine Hat College email account to set up your password and your username. So that's step three. So you issue your Medicine Hat College email address. Then you're going to enter your join code. Now this join code again is provided in the Word document that I've attached to this video below. So as soon as you enter in that code, that's going to give you access to the class. Then you're going to finish your account registration. So your email, password, that code, first name, last name, and then it'll have you set some security questions. And then you'll get a message saying you're enrolled now, which will allow you to sign in. You'll go into a dashboard that you'll see, and you'll see the class listed there. Hope this helps.